Stop me if this sounds familiar. You wake up and your hips are stiff or your low back is tight or stiff. Well, I've got a 5 exercise routine here that takes just 5 minutes to do, and you can do it in just a little amount of space on the floor. And I promise you, it's gonna change your life because it's gonna change the way you move. First exercise up though is going to target hip internal rotation. And a lot of you are probably already saying, I never even thought of it. Don't do it, and I don't know what to do. So it's really easy. You get down this position here on your feet and with your hands on the floor. The first move, all you're gonna do is spin your knees to the left and then push further, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drive this hip into internal rotation and use this down hand with the back of my elbow and my hand on the floor to push further into internal rotation. And we know about internal rotation loss is it starts to happen as an early indicator of degeneration in the hip. So before it gets too late and that bone-on-bone condition starts, you wanna be able to actually restore that motion. So go for that lost hip internal rotation and try to bring it back. 5 repetitions on each side. Next, we can't ignore the external rotators of the hip. It's actually still part of the same one exercise, but now as we spin, we use the inside elbow to push further back into external rotation. So this hip is now external rotating. We're gonna use the arm to push back into more external rotation. Same thing on this side. Push and drive back. Twist, push, and drive back. Again, trying to get more and more 5 repetitions in each direction here. Again, all out of this hip flexion position. Because again, we know that the second thing that's lost as a hip degenerates is hip flexion. Don't let it get that far. You need to intervene at a point when you're in that mild to moderate stage, unless you want those long-term changes that you really can't reverse. The next exercise up is one that involves a muscle in that low back, because this muscle gets tight when you sleep. And we slide a leg back and then drop the hip down to the floor. This arm stays pretty straight. Now you can see all that stretch in this muscle called the QL. And it's a hip hiking muscle. But for a lot of us, depending upon the position we sleep in, we get tight on one side. And because we stay in that position for so long, it tends to wake up feeling really stiff. This will undo that in this dynamic stretch by just dropping the hip down, side to side, drop, and bend. Allow that big bend through that muscle itself. Doing it in this alternating fashion, 4 or 5 reps on each side. Just like that. And you should feel it right in this area right here. Next, third exercise up. Once again, from what? That deep hip flexion position. I want you to get comfortable being down here because a lot of us have lost the ability to get this deep. Not if you continue to do this each day. This is now the squat reach. So in this position here, all I'm gonna do is use this arm to again leverage and post off of that inside leg and then rotate up and reach as high as I can. You've probably seen this if you've used one of my routines before. It's really, really good. It's really important. And that's why it's here also, right? You're reaching and twisting. And what this does is it really targets the thoracic mobility, that area of your spine above your lower back. And that needs to stay extended and rotated if you want it to maintain its natural range of motion. And when it doesn't, and it gets stiff, it starts to shift those forces to other places in your body and spine specifically that can't handle that. So if you let it go, it's gonna be harder and harder to get it back. So intervene this way. 5 repetitions in each side. Okay, nice and simple, all done from one easy position here on the floor. The next one is gonna target your hamstrings, and it's also gonna target that thoracic spine once again. So all I'm gonna do, you're gonna be down in this position, sink down. Try to get your arms out, sink your butt down and your head down, chest down towards the ground to get that thoracic extension through your mid-back. From here, bring your hands in, feet go down, drive your knees back as far as you can to try to stretch the hamstrings dynamically. Down, slide your hands out, sink down from here, and then again, slide them and drive the knees back. Heels down if you can. If you have really tight calves, it's gonna be difficult, but work on improving that. 5 repetitions, each down, and then back into that hamstring position there, like that. That's 4 of 5 exercises. Last one here works on hip flexion and mobilizing those hip flexors. In other words, getting into hip extension. So what do? We get in this position here. One leg goes out in front. You're gonna lean as far forward as you can. Okay, what this does is, yes, it does stretch the hip flexors on the back leg, but it's really getting into deep, deep hip flexion. Chest to knee if you can. From here, slide and lean forward as much as you can, and then push back off that leg. Allow the butt to come forward, but your hands and body to go backwards. So now we're getting that big hip flexor stretch on the opposite leg. If I show you on this leg here, it's gonna look like this. This is the leg that's gonna go into that deep hip flexion. Slide forward, put your chest on top of that knee like that. You're getting some stretch here, obviously, in hip extension, but when we then come off of that and lean forward, you can see I could drop into more hip extension here and exaggerate that stretch because I'm gonna elongate the torso. Get even more of that stretch on the psoas. So down, lean, come up, and lean more so this time with the butt, driving it forward. 5 on each leg. Again, if you wait too long, you lose it. When you lose it, then you have a really hard time bringing it back and restoring that lost function, because once you start to lose the function and the mobility, it becomes something different. It becomes a degeneration issue rather than just a hip tightness or mobility lack. You can do this, guys, if you do it with a quick little routine like this. I hope you found it helpful. There's others on this channel. Make sure you click subscribe. If you're looking for a complete program, guys, you can find it over at ATHLEAN-X.com. Physical therapist created. And of course, the right exercises done at the right time for the right results.